Hey everybody, it's the Cars, Chip and Kim and Tonka.
Hello everybody.
Welcome back to our channel. We're back in the Pine Creek Valley area of Pennsylvania today. We're headed to the Little Pine Creek State Park. We're going to try to find a nice place to have a cookout, a little picnic. We're going to explore the park. And then we're going to go to Lebo Vista. Lebo Vista is an overlook. It's kind of out of the way. We've never been there. It overlooks the Pine Creek Valley. We're going to try to get the drone up there today and get some great aerial shots of the surrounding mountains of the Pine Creek Valley. So join us as we check out the Little Pine Creek State Park and Lebo Vista. We are in the lower picnic area of Little Pine Creek State Park. It's just a few miles down the road from the state park where the campground is. And we were lucky enough to get this pavilion, and we already have a nice lump charcoal fire started. And while that's coming up, we're going to take a little walk down here to the Little Pine Creek. There's a little footbridge. There are a few picnic tables right along Little Pine Creek, but no park grills over here. There are a few other park grills with some picnic tables further down the stream. But we were lucky enough to get a pavilion today. So while we're waiting for our charcoal fire to get going real well, we're out here in Little Pine Creek so Tonka can get some time in the stream. Just up the stream that way is the campground area of Little Pine Creek State Park. And the stream flows that way down to Pine Creek. So Little Pine Creek flows into Pine Creek. And we have a few people down there fishing. It's a nice little picnic area. This is a nice size for you, isn't it? This is a good wading stream.
Well, we did it. Found a place to cook out. They've got some bison cheeseburgers and some Cajun grilled corn. And Tonka's got his own burger. He's taking a nap. He's had a long morning already here at the park, down to the river. Thanks, Kim, for getting all of this food ready to cook today. Let's dig in. Let's enjoy our burgers and corn. Ready to go for a little walk, Kim?
Yep.
What do you think of this picnic area?
It's nice.
It is nice. We were lucky to get this pavilion.
Nice. Shady.
Yeah, it's the only pavilion here. And so let's check out the rest of the area. Tonka, let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on, let's go for a walk.
but don't freeze in your tracks. It's the chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life shows an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road. This open road. This open road. Boom, boom, that knock on your door, it's sounding further away. Don't lose heart, life was times before. This is now